Oil change on a 1993 Katana Suzuki. Oil change on a 1993 Katana Suzuki. You gotta remove the shorty pipe. Remove the shorty pipe with just these springs. Let me see. There's one spring right here. So what it is, it's a bolt that goes underneath of here into the threads where it's dripping. This bolt goes right here. And with these 1993 katanas and the air-cooled katanas with no antifreeze in them because they're older, the ones that are oil cooled, you really want to change the oil on these. I got to this one just in time. All right, as it continues to drain, what I like to do, which I don't really recommend for everybody, I like to start it up for a second just to get the pistons rolling and to get the here go the other spring, get the pistons rolling and just to get all that extra gunk out of there. So I like to do it, all right, throw it in the gear. Give it, just don't start up, just give it just a little turn to help get that oil out. I don't really suggest it because some people take it and run with it and run their engine without oil. So I wouldn't suggest it, but that's something I like to do. And what you want to do is you want to install back the bolt after you took out the drain pan. Install the bolt. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to install these springs back with the shorty pipe. The shorty pipe goes, come down here, come see this one. This pipe goes in right into here. So,
right in that hole right there.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is, boom.
I'm going to show it over there.
Alright, come here. We got this, so we got it hooked up.
Yeah.
So we got it hooked up. We put it back in there. And there's a bolt that attaches right here. You install that bolt.
The bolt, what is right here? You install that.
Install that bolt right back. Here, give me. That's how you do it if you ain't got the right tools. It says 4.7 quarts. But we're gonna see what we're gonna get.